Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable protection mode on the RedNote app. And it's really easy and simple, guys. First things first, of course, you want to go ahead and open up the app. And then let's see you're in the home screen, right? What you want to do is come here and click on the profile icon you will find on the bottom right. The me icon, basically, okay? Then what you want to do, guys, is you want to click on the setting cog right here. Click on the settings cog, and then you just want to click on the fourth option. Click on privacy settings, okay? And the first option right here you will see is called protection mode. Basically, if you toggle this on, you will not be receiving any private messages, any comments, any sharings for people you are not following each other, basically. So if I toggle this on right here, boom, as you can see right here, I will not be able to get comments from anyone who is not following, and I will not also get any mentions from them as well. So it's really that easy and simple, guys.